This is a multi-part training series that will show you various ways to perform animation without using a single keyframe. In part 1 of this series, I showed you how to apply 3 types of animation, in, out, and loop, to a single object without using a single keyframe. See the link below for details. In part 2 of this series, I will show you how to apply multiple animation to multiple objects without using a single keyframe. However, this time, all animation will be applied all at once. So with that backdrop in mind, let's get started. Typically, most users create animations one at a time, as seen in this example. However, the problem with this approach is, one by one is not always fun. So let's see how to animate multiple objects without using a single keyframe. Import a background or animated scene of your choice and lock it down so that the objects can be selected faster later. Add 5 objects to your scene. While any objects can be used, I'll be using 1 text object and 4 images. Press the Shift key and T to insert a text object. Retype the default text as "We come in peace." Change the text size and color, if necessary, and then center it on the stage. Drag and drop the 4 objects to the 4 corners of the scene. Resize them to be smaller if necessary. Select all layers and increase their timeline duration. Press the Command and Control key and A, or click and drag around all of the objects to select them. Press the Command and Control key and G to group all the objects together. Notice that all 5 layers of the 5 objects in the timeline collapse into a single layer with a group name and icon. Click on the batch animation icon to open this panel. Notice that there are 5 properties that you can change to create batch animations. Randomly adjust the opacity property slider slightly to reveal the speed and randomness values. Repeat the steps for the other properties. Press the 0 or the spacebar key and let the magic begin. Important to remember, if you scrub the playback head, the animation will not play. Click on the batch animation icon again to reopen this panel and randomly adjust the speed and randomness values for each property. Press the 0 or the spacebar key to play the animation again. Notice there are no keyframes in the timeline. All 5 objects was animated without using a single keyframe. In the next video, I'll show you how to use a transition to create an animation without using a single keyframe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.